Good day, students. Today we are going to see about visual programming. Visual, okay. So, visual means we are seeing, okay. Whatever the program uses user interface as a tool, then it is said to be visual programming, okay. Any language that uses the graphics or blocks that are already defined with the code, and the programmer just need to use those blocks without worrying about the lines of code, is known as visual programming language, okay. Just we need to click and drop the tools from the toolbox or toolbar. In computing, a visual programming language is any programming language that lets users create programs by manipulating program elements, okay. So whatever the programming elements which are all needed have to be used from the toolbars, okay. So program elements graphically rather than by specifying them textually, okay, textually. So rather than just typing from the keyboard, we can have inbuilt graphical user interface tools, okay. When we get into the example, we can easily understand what is meant by visual programming, okay. So example are Visual Basic IDE, VB.NET IDE, Sketchware, okay. This is a snippet of a Sketchware. We will look into the Visual Basic IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. So Visual Basic, after that it's been stopped and the name have been transformed to VB.NET. VB means Visual Basic. .NET means Network Enabled Technology, okay. Here we are telling like add all numbers between A and B, okay. A value will be displayed and B value will be displayed. Each and every plus symbol is concatenation, okay. Script variable sum, okay. Though this value will be shown, and if you look into this part of the visual programming, set sum to 0, okay. We are setting sum variable as 0. Then we are using a loop and we are setting some other variables, okay, and we are reporting sum. So this is one of the visual programming example. Here we can see about introduction to visual programming language, okay. So we need to know about the Visual Basic editions. The first one is Learning Edition, the second one is Professional Edition, the third one is Enterprise Edition, the fourth one is included in Visual Studio Suite, Analogy, Office for Programmers, okay. If the programmer belongs to student community, they can use Learning Edition. If they get into a higher category in a software development side, then they can use Professional Edition. For big companies like Tata Consultancy Service, Infosys, Wipro, IBM, they need to get the Enterprise Edition so that they can use this version in lot of computers, okay. So other Visual Basic editions are VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, Windows CE Toolkit for Visual Basic, Visual Basic Scripting Edition, Control Creation Edition, okay. So this is Visual Basic 6, Interactive Development Environment, that means IDE. So the first one is toolbox. Okay, so if you can see over here, this is cursor button, image box, text, this is text box, otherwise it can called as caption or label. Okay, this is frame, and this checkbox, radio button, scroll box, left scroll, right scroll, timer, folder, and images. Okay, so we are having lot of tools over here, and this one is form designer window. Okay, so in this window only we can sorry, we can develop our application. So the next one is code editor window. So in this window only we can edit the content of that program. Okay, so this is project explorer. The second one is called project explorer. So we can browse the project in detail. Okay, the next one is property window. So if there exists a label, then the related properties will be shown here. Okay, so whatever you choose from this list, the relative properties will be shown over here. So the next one is form layout window. Okay, so how the form is being shown to you. So elements of the IDE. So there will be some application icon, application name, context menus, controls, current project, design view mode, title bar. Okay, and major windows like form designer, form layout, toolbox, project explorer, object browser, properties, code editor, immediate, locals, and watch. Okay, so these are all the elements of the IDE in Visual Basic. Okay, so we can access this content using this link. Okay, so I will share this link in this video itself. So thank you for today. See you in the next class. Bye.